So Apple announced new products, new iPhone. We have an amazing iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max with a gorgeous cosmic orange color. A thin iPhone Air, not iPhone 17 Air, but iPhone Air that looked like it came out of space. New AirPods Pro 3 with a live translation feature that blew my mind. And new Apple Watches. But if you want to stay up to date with everything related to Apple, head over to our main account, AppleDsign on YouTube. You will find everything over there, and a lot of content with regards to all the new products will be uploaded on AppleDsign. So make sure to check it out. So yes, we are live at the event and we are filming all the time, but we're also working behind the scenes around the clock. And yes, we are live at the event. We are filming everything and as much as possible. But actually, that's not what I want to talk about, because I need to address the thing. So something that occurred during the Apple event, and I don't know if this is like the first time Apple is talking about it, but during the keynote 2 times a specific word was mentioned, and I'm talking about the word content creator. And that's quite interesting. You see, I've now been a creator for over 8 years now, and hearing a company like Apple, that's the fundament of our brand, AppleDsign, talking about content creation, creators, that's just amazing. And I kind of like that. So here are the 2 moments I'm talking about where Apple was targeting content creators. Let's check them out. So first, this moment.
Making our Pro models the absolute best choice for content creators.
This is with regards of the new camera system of the iPhone Air, but also the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. We now have an 18 megapixel center stage camera at the front of the iPhone. And this will genuinely make it easier for us content creators to film ourselves, because now we can see ourselves and can eliminate the hustle of having an extra screen or maybe just hoping that we're filming ourselves centered with the back camera. So I think this will be a big plus for the new iPhones. Yes, this is something I've been dying for to see and will save a lot of time. And then the next part, this one.
Video synchronization. It's particularly useful for content creators.
This is with regards of Genlock. Honestly, I didn't know what it meant at first, but apparently this is an industry standard that synchronizes the video timing of multiple cameras or sources using a shared reference signal. It's essentially a multi-camera setup, but yeah, this is more for the pro filmmakers and not for the basic content creators like me and probably you. And with that, it seems like Apple is slowly drifting more towards content creators themselves, and this is an impressive statement by Apple. You really feel they're leaning more towards the creator economy and are now even developing products with that in mind. And personally, I think this is only the start. So what's something you'd like to see as a creator that Apple should bring in the upcoming years? Share it with us in the comments, let us know, and again, happy creating.